Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the topper's choice. In this video, we are going to discuss application for a job with biodata or resume. It is useful for class 12th for the year 2020 and 21. Let's go. A job application means the letter written for getting a job. It is the primary means of introducing the job seeker to the employer. Job application contains appeal for the job along with the job seeker's personal data like name, address, qualification, and experience. We'll discuss about the format of writing an application for a job. As it is a formal letter, we follow all the formal letter steps here. So first step is sender's address. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. Include email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. After sender's address, second step is date. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving one line space. Then comes receiver's address. Make sure you write the official title, name, position, etc. of the receiver as the first line of the address. Then you need to write subject of the letter. It must be written in one line. This helps the receiver focus on the subject of the letter in one glance. Then comes salutation. Here, the beginning of every letter of the word should be in uppercase or capital. In salutation, we write sir or madam or respected sir or respected madam. After salutation comes main body of the letter. And as you know, main body of the letter is divided into three parts or three paragraphs. The matter of the letter is written here. The tone of the content should be formal. Do not use any flowery language. And another point to keep in mind is that the letter should be concise and to the point. It is either divided into three paragraphs or two paragraphs if the letter is briefer. So what to write in paragraph number 1? Begin the body of the letter by mentioning the source, that is, from where you got to know about the job, information about the job, example from newspaper, along with the day, date and advertisement number. Also mention the post you wish to apply for. Paragraph number 2. Here you are supposed to offer your candidature by briefing about your qualifications, achievements, previous experiences and your strengths. In other words, this paragraph should be an answer to the question, how are you the perfect candidate for the job? Keep in mind that it should be to the point and clear. You should not sound boastful. Paragraph 3. In this part of the body, you are supposed to make a reference to the photograph, that is passport sized, then biodata or curriculum vitae, and other detailed documents that you have enclosed. You can also appeal for a one-on-one interview. End the body on a promising note. Example, looking forward to your positive response. Then complimentary clause. In complimentary clause, only Y is capital, that is beginning. Or if you are suppose writing obediently yours, then O is capital. So yours obediently or yours faithfully or yours truly or yours sincerely you can write here. At the end comes subscription line or signature line. Here sender's name, signature and designation if any. You have to note here one thing. Mention the name given in the question paper only. Do not mention your personal details. So after signature line, you are supposed to mention the heading enclosures. which will include the name of the documents and testimonials attached along with the cover letter. They may include the following things: photograph, biodata or CV, it is also called resume, copies of certificates, and any other. So biodata or resume, how to write and what to write there. Biodata refers to a person's life, experience and achievements. It should be representative of all your personal and professional details in a specified format. It is generally divided into 4 parts: personal details, qualifications, experience and references. Like this, biodata, these are the headings: name, father's name, date of birth, address, age, contact number, email ID, nationality, marital status, qualifications. Now in qualifications must be written in tabular form with the such kind of table: name of the examination, name of the board or university, name of the institution, year of passing and percentage. Then achievements, languages known, skills, weaknesses, hobbies, references, declaration, date, place and signature at the end. So the format should look like this of application for a job: first sender's address, then 1 line space, then date, again 1 line space, then receiver's address. After writing receiver's address, 1 line space, then comes subject, then salutation, sir or madam, and then main body of the letter begins. Generally here we begin the letter with this sentence: in response to your advertisement in so and so newspaper. Then subscription line and signature line, and at the end we write enclosures, that is biodata. Now here some important points to remember: use block style or open punctuation method. Leave 1 line space between each and every step and paragraphs. Never mention any of your personal details, that is your name, your school name or address. Make sure you follow the right format and make paragraphs. Don't use slangs or short forms. Try not to exceed the prescribed word limit of 120 to 150 words. Now we'll have a sample question with answer. In CBSE 2018, this question had been asked: Bal Vidya Public School, Bhilai urgently requires a postgraduate teacher to teach political science, for which they have placed an advertisement in the Bhilai Express. You are Sanjay or Sanjana Sharma from 21 Vasant Marg, Bhilai. Draft a letter including a CV, that is your resume or biodata, applying for the advertised post. Word limit is given in the bracket 120 to 150 words. Let us look at the answer. 21 Vasant Marg, Bhilai, 1st March 2000 so and so. The principal, Bal Vidya Public School, Bhilai. Subject, application for the post of a postgraduate teacher. Sir or madam, in response to your advertisement in the Bhilai Express dated February 25th 2000 so and so for the post of a political science teacher in your renowned school, I wish to offer my candidature. I am enclosing a copy of my biodata for your perusal and kind consideration. I am available for the interview on any day of your convenience. If given a chance to serve you, I assure you that I shall work with utmost sincerity and dedication up to your satisfaction. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Sanjay or Sanjana Sharma. Enclosures, biodata. Now we need to write biodata also here. Name, Sanjay or Sanjana Sharma. Father's name, Mithun Sharma. Date of birth, 25th July 1984. Address, 21 Vasant Marg, Bhilai. Phone, 98100 so and so. Email, sanjsharma@gmail.com. Marital status, single. Age, 28 years. Nationality, Indian. Academic qualifications in tabular format like this: BA 85%, MA 78%, B.Ed 86%. Hobbies, trekking and reading. Strengths, good communication skills, computer literate, proficient in English, Hindi and German. Names and address of references given here. Number 1, Mr. Vijay Mathur, Principal, DAV School, Gurudwara Road, Delhi, and Mr. Satish Ohri, Head of Commerce Department, Punjab University, Chandigarh. So in this way, dear friends, this is a letter application for a job. If you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.